All right, guys, it's just me and you. Let's log into this make money online thing. A lot of you get so stuck on the product. A lot of people in digital marketing get stuck because they don't understand. They just think it's, you buy a course and you sell a course. But even by the time they get to how you make the money, they're already confused. That's why I like implementing different stuff. That's for a certain sort of person. Some people need products. They need service-based stuff that they can explain, like, travel savings, dining savings, shopping savings, cash back, credit repairs. It resonates with them a little more, and they understand. All right, I'm selling a membership with benefits. I can comprehend that. Like a lot of us came up selling roadside assistance like 7 years ago, made a killing doing that. So that resonates with people a little more. This industry, a lot of people run from because the commissions are a little bit smaller and you make more money helping people make money. A lot of people run from direct sales, network marketing, and stuff like that because the big money is helping people make money. A lot of people just want to do their thing, sell their products, and all the weight is on their shoulders. They ain't got to worry about another person. For me, I can do either. But I like this because the thing where you burn out at is trying to keep reselling products and hitting that quota every single month or every single day. And you burn out. I have to have one stream of me making money where if I do some work 2 months ago, I can still get paid on that. Acquiring customers, and especially on some type of auto ship where they pay every single month, is king. Like when you pay your Netflix, your Hulu, etc. That's king. And I think a lot of people should start there because you don't want to have that burden on your back when you buy these high-end digital products and you don't know nothing. And you might not even have time to go through them. That's another thing. So here, I like that you can implement the stuff in this, even if you don't sell anything, even if you just want to be a customer. I like that I can earn from customers, but I also like the fact that you can implement this in your life. Saving money, cash back, that's the start of it. Then you make the money. And the setup process is very simple. This website, like you get right here, that literally sells for me, this is already made for you. This is already done for you. There's some other aspects in marketing that you can add, but as starting off, you can just have this one website, have people request information and send them this and start making money now. That's another thing. But a lot of you get so stuck on just the idea of making money. So let's keep it very simple. And networks are ran like this a lot. In real estate, a lot of people have agents. A lot of real estate companies have agents that they leverage. It's a lot of different business models where you can leverage. A lot of people want to build businesses up, hire workers, let them do most of the work. They collect the money, which is kind of an uneven exchange. But in this case, me helping you start a business, me helping you understand how to get customers, I earn a little bit on the back end. And that's how you really get set and let your business work for you. Digital marketing, you can do the same. Like I said, I do digital marketing as well, but it's more of a producer game. It's more how many sales can you get on your own, and a lot of people just get stuck. This is more team. This is more together. This is more leveraging, compounding. Just like for example, the trend on TikTok. Hey, can we help each other pay off each other's debt? Like this, comment this, share this. Same concept. When you work together, you compound money more quicker. So I'm going to cut this video here because I don't want it too long since this is going to get uploaded to TikTok. But this is on my website, wherever you go. This is called my early retirement plan. This is something you can do on the side. This is something you can do remotely. It's very inexpensive. Like I said, a lot of people purchase this membership just because they have families and a lot of this resonates with them. But if the pricing is out of reach or if this doesn't resonate with you, you can start this business for as little as $20 a month. And just 4 memberships, you never have to pay again. Get your membership free, get your benefits free, and now your business is free. So yeah, drop early retirement in the comment section if you want more info on this.